Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I hope you are good. We are still on the gist from the palace of Oni of Ife. My correct people, make una come hear advice so. Make una hear advice. Look at Olori Tobiloba advising Queen Naomi about coming back to the palace, saying that she is serious and this advice is coming from her heart. But I don't know whether is it from her heart or be from her hatred heart. Anyway, wetin man no go see for dis life. Tobiloba wey dey fight Queen Naomi, wey doesn't want Queen Naomi to come back to the palace. We heard allegedly that she had been advising Queen Naomi concerning her coming back to the palace. Anyway, according to what we heard, she said that Queen Naomi should have a rethink that Queen Naomi should have a rethink that Kabiyesi that she is seeing so. If Kabiyesi want to bring back Queen Naomi to the palace, that is not a big deal for Kabiyesi. That Kabiyesi knows exactly what to do. If Kabiyesi want to bring her back to the palace, this one somehow I concur with her with this one, but it's not as easy as she thought it is. If this is a correct and real advice from her, if this one is not just to make Queen Naomi to change her mind. So she said that if Kabiyesi really want to bring back Queen Naomi, that Kabiyesi is not supposed to struggle about it. That he is Onirisha. He knows the kind of women he married. If he want to do anything to bring back Queen Naomi, that is going to be easy. It's easy and very simple for him. That Kabiyesi knows that the palace is no longer the way it used to be. That Queen Naomi, if you thought that this palace is still the way you left it, that means you are making a huge mistake. That the palace has been defied. That Queen Naomi, if you think you can come back to this palace to continue to be with Kabiyesi, that means everything about you must be prayer, prayer, prayer. That you will not have a single time to rest. You will be praying every minute, every hour, every seconds, every day, every week. That no time for you to rest if you think you can come back and stay in this palace. That the palace is no longer what it used to be. That the way you left the palace is not the way it is now. And again, had it been she herself, that is Tobiloba, had it been say she never give birth for Kabiyesi, abeg make una no kpai me o say I dey talk say she give birth. Na wetin she talk me I dey talk. You know say me no be me talk am, na here I hear am. So had it been say she never give birth for Kabiyesi, she no have these children for Kabiyesi, she would have have a rethink and they would just back off. That what she is seeing in this marriage is not what she experienced, as in she expected to see. That Kabiyesi, the thing is no longer sweet again. That if you know the kind of thing, if you see the kind of thing that they have done in the palace, Queen Naomi, you will not even talk about coming back to the palace. That I know that she know that Queen Naomi cannot go to Babalawo. Queen Naomi cannot go to places that they have gone. That Queen Naomi is a church woman. Queen Naomi is a woman of God. That what she needs to do now is to always pray with her season if she thought she can come back here. That unless that, she will just have a rethink. Although that she's just telling her this thing so that she will go back and think about it though. My people, when I heard that she said that if not that she have a child for Kabiyesi, if she have children for Kabiyesi, she would have back off. What about Queen Naomi that have a child before her? That Queen Naomi's own is not even magic. Queen Naomi's own is pure and as in pure. Like if you are looking at Tadenikawo, you are seeing Kabiyesi. But her own stories that have followed her own is even too much. That if she's even supposed to go and bring those babies and give back to the owner, and she will just back off as she said. She no even think of Queen Naomi that have children for Kabiyesi. That if Queen Naomi back off, what will happen now? You see. So my correct people, that is what she advised Queen Naomi. That Kunomi should know what is good for her. Kunomi should be careful. Kunomi should think about it to know if she's going to continue with this or not. That is not going to be easy for her. Oh. Even her herself, she's even thinking about leaving Kabiyesi and go and live her life normal. I said, hey, I wish she would even leave Kabiyesi so that Kunomi will know what she's facing. If she leave Kabiyesi now, if Tobi leave Kabiyesi now, her own chapter will be closed. At least it will remain these other people, because Tobi on her own is also a headache, a serious headache on her own. Yes, Tobi is a headache on her own because wetin if Kabiyesi should say what he is passing through from the hand of these people, you will pity that man. Oh. Okay, oh, that Queen should have a think, oh, that if she can do it, hey, that is not going to be easy for her. That she herself, she knows what she's passing through. If not the fact that she have a child for Kabiyesi, that Kabiyesi, if Kabiyesi want to bring Queen back, that is very simple. And when she was saying this, some people were like, are you sure she have not gone to her Babalawo to collect something and put in her tongue? So that when after advising Kunomi this way, Kunomi will have a rethink and will feel like, let her not come back again, that this thing that Tobi is saying is true. Hey, hey, my people. Are you sure she never collects and put for her tongue? Because nothing is impossible for them. As she don't talk and say the places that they have gone, Kunomi cannot go there. That Kunomi is a church woman. And if Kunomi must come back to the palace, that she must stand firm, that she must stand firm in God, always pray. No time that you will see in her life that she's not praying. That is if she must come back to the palace. If not, that she should have a rethink and move on with her life. Don't forget that this Tobi that is advising Kunomi is the same Tobi that have gone to Oba Elegushi to tell Oba Elegushi to tell Kabiyesi to forget about Queen Naomi. That Kunomi is spoiling things for them. Now the same person come back to advise Kunomi about coming back to the palace. That the palace is too hot. That the palace is no longer conducive for her to come back. My people. And this one they call hypocrisy. Yes. She will enter bush and shout, oh, and she will come out to say who is shouting. Look at her that just went to Oba Elegushi to tell them that they should advise Kabiyesi not to bring back Kunomi. Is now here to advise Kunomi. As personal adviser, be waiting. Anything what she put for her tongue, e no go work for her. She want to back off. Let her back off. If she back off this time around, who is she even going back to? She have different children for different husbands and different men. Now, don't carry this one that is not even her own, not be Kabiyesi's own. How is she going to do with this? Anyway, my correct people, now here I hear. Whether these children, the Tobi's babies are her own, me, I don't know. If not, I don't know. Now here I hear, and I just say let me share with you. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Love you guys. Bye. And please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Love you. Bye.